As you can see, fully private, fully clear, but also gives you a dynamic control on how you get your privacy, whether it's half on, half off, digital blinds with privacy, digital blinds without privacy, and also gives you that option of putting it in a demo mode where with one button, it just rotates, giving you the most dynamic, innovative, smart way to achieve privacy anywhere, whether it's your home or, as you can see, in this beautiful boutique of a custom car shop where they install PPF, ceramic coatings, window tinting, and wraps.
Finds every corner, dreams become design, every line was chosen, every detail refined, from the first foundation to the final view, every space is waiting to become something new. You don't build a home, you build a feeling. You don't chase tomorrow, you create it. Step into the future, where every window tells a story. Step into the future, where innovation feels like home. Design with purpose, built without limits. Every detail leading tomorrow.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. We just installed our iTints electric smart film digital zebra blinds, the latest and greatest high-tech privacy smart film. And now, First Class Auto Sports has stepped into the future with iTints technologies.
The future is